Alright, boys and girls, well, welcome to Gorn Guitar and to a cool song from Russ. Alright, so if you love Russ, then feel free to support me here at Gorn Guitar and subscribe to this channel. We have a playlist with him. So yeah, we'll be back for sure in the future, but this time we're gonna focus on a song called No More. Alright, so this is basically a song with two chords that goes back and forth. We're gonna look at the melody and the strumming, and we're gonna do that with the capo set here on the 4th fret. So make sure you put that on if you have a capo, and then if you don't have any, then just follow the same chords, the same melodies, and play it in the standard here without any capo. But anyway, the best scenario, capo on 4th, so we can match up with the sound. Let's go into the two chords, and we're gonna look at the C major 7 and the G major 7. All right, so the C major, this grip will be like this: 3rd fret on A, 2nd on D, open G, open B, and open E. And then for strumming the G major, we will have this grip. And that will be the 3rd fret on E string, 2nd on A, 4th on D, open G, open B, and open E. All right, so there we have the grips for strumming, which we're gonna look at later. Now first, let's go into the melody. So the C major, I suggest you hold it with the mid finger on the 3rd fret A string and your index on the 2nd fret D string. That's how I prefer to hold it. So anyway, one round will be like this. That will be to play 3rd fret on A, 2nd on D, back to 3rd on A, then open B, and then a clap, and then open G, 3rd A, and open G. That will be how you play the melody. So and that is one round. You're gonna play for 2 rounds, so okay. And then you're gonna go to the G major, and you don't have to hold the 2nd fret A now from the actual chord, which you're gonna strum later. And just enough to start with 3rd fret on E string. You're gonna play this part. Okay, so that is to play 3rd on E, open D, then 3rd E, then open B, and a clap, and then you're gonna add on the 4th D, 3rd E, and 4th D. That's one round, so slowly. So notice when you start, you play the open D, that note, and then clap, and then 4th D. So you're gonna add on this, meanwhile you're playing and lift off to get the open D again in the 2nd round, because you're gonna play this again for 2 rounds. So C major 2 rounds, G major 2 rounds. Slowly, it goes like this for 1 chord progression rounds of C2 and G2, like this. And you can do that from the beginning till the very end. Of course, it will go down a little bit in tempo and all that throughout this song here. And also sometimes it doesn't play all of these notes every time, but as soon as it comes back again in the standard tempo, so to speak, and then it will be this, okay? So a couple of rounds goes like this. There you have the picking pattern now into the strumming. So now you need to hold the full chords as we learned them. So this is the C major and this is the G major. So one string around will be down, up, clap, up, down, up. So down, up, clap, up, down, up, like this. Down, up, clap, up, down, up. That is one string around. You're gonna play 2 per chord, and that will match perfectly with the melody, and it goes like this. Okay, no more for this time. That's actually the title of Russ's song, No More. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, feel free to support me here on Going Guitar. Until next time, play tuned.